What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Preston here, also known as Tech Gun Sports Lover. I appreciate you guys joining for another video. Today we're going to take a look at a number of different products. I'm just going to unbox them. I already know that these are quality products because I'm very familiar with the company. These all were sent to me by EC Technology, and these are all Type-C adapters. On the left side, on this side, I have a Type-C power bank. If you don't know anything about Type-C, Type-C is basically going to become the new standard in terms of USB. And the reason I'm saying that is because it's much more efficient, it's faster, it's smaller, and that's just a few of the benefits of USB Type-C. So I'm going to go ahead and put this power bank to the side for now because I want to spend a little bit more time talking about the power bank than I do these other adapters. And I'm just going to simply open the box up and show you what they look like. We'll talk really briefly about them, and then we'll move on to the power bank. Like I said, I bought a lot of stuff from EC Technology. They've sent me a lot of stuff to test in the past. Over the past couple of years, everything has been rock solid. Okay, so the first thing I received was Type-C to RJ45 adapter. So let's go ahead and open this up. Again, these are all Type-C, guys. So if you don't have a Type-C device, then these are not going to do you any good. So as you can see, there's your USB end. And then this is basically for Ethernet, essentially. So there's that adapter. And of course, in the box, you do get a instruction manual as well. Okay, so that was Type-C to RJ45 adapter. Next one we're going to talk about is Type-C to HDMI adapter. Let's go ahead and open that. Put this to the side. Okay, so if you check on Amazon, you'll be able to find everything that I'm talking about, and I'll also link everything below in the description of this video. So you have an HDMI portion, or HDMI side, and then the Type-C USB side. Okay, so that's HDMI to USB Type-C adapter, and of course you get your manual with it. Next, we have the Type-C to USB adapter. This one right here is probably going to get the most use, at least with me. It also has an OTG. OTG stands for on the go. Let's go ahead and open this one up. And here you have it. USB side, Type-C side. And that is the Type-C to USB adapter. And here's the last adapter we're going to take a look at. This is the Type-C to VGA adapter. Okay, so here's VGA, and here's Type-C. Of course, you get the manual here. And that's it, guys. So those are the adapters that they sent to me. Now let's take a look at the star of the show. This is the Type-C power bank. Nice little box. Okay, so here's the power bank. Very nicely built, very heavy. This is a 10,400 milliamp power bank. This is model B30104. Of course, the input is Type-C. I'm going to show you that here in a second. You got 5 volts, 3 amps. That's the max. Micro USB is 5 volt, 2.4 amps. The output is Type-C, 5 volts, 3 amps. And USB is 5 volts, 2.4 amps. Here's what the front looks like. You have a power button. You have a micro in that's used to recharge the battery itself. You have your type C, and then you have a USB out. Here's the power button. Let's hit that. As you can see, you have two lights that come on. This shows you how much battery power you have. Right now it's at 50%. And you also have two little green LED lights for your type C. The good thing about this is you can recharge a device that uses type C as well as USB, and you can do it at the same time. So let's see what else is included in the box. Okay, so you've got a looks like a micro USB to USB cable, and you've got your instruction manual. So that is pretty much it, guys. Let's put all these out here so you can see everything. EC Technology has been a great partner with me over the last several years. All of the things they've ever sent to me, all the things I've ever purchased have been quality. I've had no issues with them. So if you guys got any questions about anything that I talked about today, I know it was a brief video, but if you got any questions, please let me know. Guys, thanks for joining me. We'll talk to you soon.